Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video I will show you a underground fault detection with 3-phase. In this system we will send notification for our every error or fault by using our GSM module. So now let's check the full operation of our project first. So this is the full overview of our project, and in this system we used here a Arduino Uno to control this total operation, and we use here a GSM module to send notification to our smartphone. In this system we use here a LCD display to show all the operations here, and we insert here printed fault notification for every fault, and it will help us to detect the fault for every switch. Now we will check our all faults which is inserted here. So first of all I will check red to ground fault detection for 1 kilometer, and when it will be make fault, at that moment our load will be turned off and it will be showing in our LCD display. So next it will be red to ground fault detection for 2 kilometer and it's showing in LCD display. Then it will be red to ground fault detection for 3 kilometer, and for every fault it will send notification to our smartphone. And now we can check the notification from our SMS, and you see here that we get a fault detection notification, and it will take some times for every notification to arrive our smartphone. So it was our previous notification SMS. Now let's check the fault detection for red line for 4 kilometer. And now we will check our next line, it's yellow line, yellow to ground fault detection 1 kilometer, and next yellow to ground fault detection for 2 kilometer, and then we will check our yellow to ground fault detection for our 3 kilometers, and it's showing okay. And now it's for yellow to ground for 4 kilometer fault detection, and then we can see the notification after completing our operation. So now we will go to our blue line, and its blue to ground fault detection for 1 kilometer is showing in our LCD display, and then its blue to ground fault detection for 2 kilometer, and then it will be blue to ground fault detection for 3 kilometer. After that it will be blue to ground fault detection for 4 kilometer. So now we will check line to line fault detection for red to yellow. So it's first 1 kilometer for red yellow line fault detection, and then it will get notification to our smartphone, and we can check that one. So it will take some whiles to get the notification to our smartphone. So it's red to yellow fault for 2 kilometer, and when it will be okay, at that moment light will be turned on. And after that we will check our red to yellow fault detection. It's for 3 kilometer. So it's showing the perfect or proper fault detection in our LCD. And now we will check the fault detection for line to line for yellow and blue line. So it's 1 kilometer fault detection for yellow and blue line, and then we will check 2 kilometer of yellow and blue line fault detection. After that it will be 3 kilometer fault detection for yellow and blue line. So now we will check the fault detection between red and blue line, and it's for red to blue line for 1 kilometer fault, and it's showing perfectly. And after that we will check our blue to red line fault detection for 2 kilometer. So it also working here properly for 2 kilometer, and it's for 3 kilometers for blue to red line, and it's showing perfect fault detection in our LCD display. You see here that it's blue line, yellow line and red line for open fault. So now we will check that one, and it's blue line open and it's yellow line, and it will be open the yellow line, and that is showing in our LCD, and this switch will be open our red line, and that fault is showing here, and we will get the notification for every error in our smartphone or any button phone can you use. So thank you so much for staying with us for a long time, and if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thank you so much again, and Allah Hafiz.